After completing the basic configuration, I will now start by uploading the company's business data such as customers, vendors, items, and chart of accounts. In order to prepare the migration of this data, I will configure some configuration packages and provide these Excel files to Contoso super users to complete the information. I will start with the vendor list, including contact information. Here are the tasks that I will perform. In task 1, I'm going to create a configuration package. In task 2, I'm going to assign tables and select fields. In the task 3, I will export a configuration package to Excel. And in task 4, I'm going to prepare the data in the Excel. So the first thing that I want us to check is the vendor. Let's see if there is any information inside the vendors table. So this is the vendors, and there's nothing inside the vendors table. So what I will do now is that I'm going to go to the search box and I will type configuration package. Then I'm going to click new so that I can create a new configuration package. This is configuration package card. For the new configuration package, the code is going to be vendor, while the package name will be vendor list. Then I'll come to the tables where I will now add all the tables that will be part of this configuration package. For this particular configuration package, I need just one table, and that table name is vendor. Once again, remember that for every table in Dynamics 365, there is table ID as well as the table name. So you can always type the table ID if you are looking for, or if you want to reference any table. You can as well click here and you search for the table, and the table I'm looking for is vendor. As you can see, the ID is 23, so I'll click OK. Then I'll go to tables and I'll click on the fields now, and it's saying some fields have 2 or more related tables. Do you want to check them? No. I'll click on the fields again. Now these are the fields for this particular table called vendors. All of them are checked, but I don't need all of them in my configuration package. So what I will do is that I will click this button to clear all of them except the first one. The first one cannot be unchecked. So I will now add the one I want. Now, why is it that I cannot uncheck the first one? It's because that is like the key for that particular table. So there's nothing you can do about it. Now I'll check the name. Yes, I want name to be part of the new information, and I want the address. I will also check city. I will check phone number. I will check currency code. Language code, and I will check country or region. Then I will check postcode. So altogether now I should have like 9 records. Let's go and check. You can see I have 9 fields now, and this 9 fields is what I check out of 83 fields. So at this point, I will now go ahead now and export this into an Excel. So what that simply means is that once I export it, it will give an opportunity for the people that I'm working for to be able to input informations about their vendors based on this template. So I'll click yes, and as you can see, it has downloaded a file. So I can see that file if I go to the downloads, and this is the file. You can see it happens 1:17 a.m. So, and as for this file, I can rename it so that it will be easy for me to recognize. So I can call it vendor list. My vendor list. Now I will double click on it. You can see what I have. In the first row, I have the name of the table and the ID. And in the third row, I have the column names. That's the number, the name, the address, the city, the phone, the currency code, the language code, the country or region code, and the postal code. So I'm going to copy some information and I'll paste that information here. So as you can see, I now have sample information about the vendors. So this is what you normally do. Once you export that file, you give it to the owner of the company or their representative to fill in the customers. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing to this channel. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to leave a like and share this video. See you in the next one.